Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get a military discount at Lowe's. So, you actually get a 10% of Lowe's military discount. And also guys, you get on eligible items, plus you get free silver key status. That's their way of saying thank you to your free active duty, right? Now, to get your discount, first you need to verify your status as a military service member, or maybe for your spouse through ID.me, okay? Go ahead and you can go and click on this, or you can go to id.me, go ahead and log in there, authorize yourself, create your account. When Lowe's asks you to do that, just go ahead and authorize yourself for Lowe's, okay? And then you just sign in to, or you create a My Lowe's Rewards account. You can confirm or just provide your primary address, then you can just go and shop online or even in store and get your 10% off on eligible items every day, guys. And you can receive your free standard shipping and earn rewards faster with the My Lowe's, reward silver key status. It's really that easy and simple. Just use id.me, verify yourself and your Lowe's rewards account, and you're ready to go. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.